Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to kardeamadeit. So in today's video, I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update on my she shed, aka my future office building. So the clip that's on the screen right now is just me doing an overview after they finished it. Probably back June, mid-June, if you remember. It was early May or late April that I put in an order for it, and this clip is from when they actually finished it. The next few clips will be from when it was delivered. So this tree was so big that it was in the way, so we had to actually cut it. So I don't know if you can see where it's been cut, but it's been cut. My fiance had to get on this ladder. I was scared, but you know, he just wants to make me happy. So he cut those limbs down, and I'm tired. I had to help move him. Go around the corner. He's just loading it back up so that he can back it in, I guess. But yeah. Y'all, when I tell you it took hours, it took hours to get this thing unloaded off the truck. So in the clip that was in front of the house, he had to go onto the street and go around a bunch of other houses, and then he had to unload it to flip the building around on the trailer. So he had to unload it, and then I forgot how he did it, but basically he had to turn the building around so that he could deliver it how he's trying to do now. And I was very specific with where I wanted it. And then my fiance was like, "You're being a pain," but I knew exactly where I wanted it to be at, and he got, I guess, as close as he could. It is good where it is now. I'm okay with it. The main thing was cutting that tree down because it was huge and it was scratching the top part and the paint off of my roof, and we did not need that. Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to kardeamadeit. So I just wanted to come and show you all a little she shed update. It is November the 13th, 2021. Um, this has been a long process, but you know, I guess slow progress is better than no progress. I actually ordered my she shed back in May. It was either end of April, beginning of May, and they told me 4 weeks, and I was like, good, that'll be right on time for my birthday. But that wasn't the case. Finally got it delivered in August, and as of November, I finally found someone to help me, make the inside look like something. So yeah, it's been a long process. I'm gonna stop talking and just see what we have done so far. I'm gonna have to clean off my porch because they are leaving residue on my porch. No biggie. All right. So I'm trying to brighten this up on my phone. This is how everything looks right now. Oh, it's cold in here. I guess when the insulation is all up, it'll be, you know, a little more warmer. It is November, so it is cool, but it's cold to me. And I'm in Mississippi, so no. But okay, so this wall is completely unfinished, and this wall is seemed to be halfway done. They have insulation up right here, and then the insulation and the sheetrock all down this side. So yeah, my fiance is actually helping the guy. It's so hard to find good help because I've been looking for somebody to do this for a long time. So I just really want it done before Christmas. And I do plan to buy some linoleum for the floor. Something real nice. And let's see. And they've been using my ring light for like an extra source of light. I do think that he is going to put something up here where I can have another light fixture somewhere up here. And you know, I have my place for my storage up there, so I'm gonna have to get a ladder so that I can put things up there. So I don't know if I told y'all, but the plan is that once I come in on this side, I will have like an L-shaped table. I want my heat press right there, and then my CRICUTs right here, and then probably stopping at this window, my computer desk. I don't know if I'm gonna have it turned or what, but that's way down the line because this is getting expensive and I am planning a wedding. So yeah, just bear with me. In due time it will get done. And then I also want to have like a curtain or some type of barrier across here to separate my office area from my, you know, sitting area. I do plan to put like a little love seat or oversized recliner right there, a little rug and an end table, coffee table. And then I don't know if I'm going to mount a TV up there or not, but I want the curtain up so that I can move it back and forth and I can watch TV from this area as well. And I want to have like a little mini fridge. I honestly feel like I probably should have gotten a bigger shed, but I guess I thought 12 by 24 was a lot bigger than what it is, but it's okay. We just have to make it work. Also, on this wall, I plan to just have some storage. So, if y'all have any like recommendations for affordable furniture, affordable cute furniture, because I know I want a cute couch. I want it to be short, but I want it to be enough for two people to sit on, and I want a nice rug. Yeah, see, this is all the insulation that we have left. I don't know if that's gonna be enough, but if we have to go back to the store, we just have to go back to the store. But that's the insulation I have left. This is the amount of sheetrock I have left. And then like the dry rod screws and the mud and the tape, all this over here. I do know we have to go buy some more stuff. And like I said before, I do want to buy, I think the easiest thing would be for me to buy a 12 by 24 roll of linoleum. I saw some really cute linoleum on, it was either Home Depot or Lowe's, and I'm just going to get it cut 12 by 24 and just bring it out here and roll it out. And that way we don't have to, you know, lay down a lot of floor, because that's what I did in my office in the house, and that took a while. So yeah, if y'all want to donate to a small business, you want to donate to me and help me out, my Cash App is in the description. I'm gonna put it on the screen probably. If you have any ideas, I'm trying to upload more. I'm off today, and I do plan on quitting my second job in February, right before the wedding. So yeah, drop me some video ideas that you would like to see. Thanks for watching.